Title: How to use ChatGPT the right way, get better results every time. Intro: most people say ChatGPT doesn't work well, but the truth is ChatGPT works only as well as you tell it to. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT properly so you get smarter, faster, and more accurate results every time. Step 1. Be clear about what you want. Bad prompt: write something about crime. Good prompt: write a short YouTube description about a true crime story involving police body cam footage with suspense and hashtags. The clearer your request, the better the response. Step 2. Give context. ChatGPT doesn't read your mind, it reads your instructions. Instead of saying, rewrite this, say, rewrite this title to sound more emotional and clickable for a YouTube true crime audience. Context equals quality output. Step 3. Tell ChatGPT the role to play. This is a secret many people don't use. Example: act as a YouTube crime documentary narrator, act as a professional scriptwriter, act as a social media growth expert. When you assign a role, ChatGPT adjusts its thinking to match that role. Step 4. Control the tone and style. You can control how the answer sounds. Say things like, make it emotional, keep it short and punchy, write it in simple English, make it dramatic and suspenseful. ChatGPT follows tone instructions very well, use them. Step 5. Ask for improvements, not new answers. Don't start over. Improve what you already have. Example: make this more engaging. Shorten it without losing impact. Add hooks in the first 2 lines. Iteration is how you get excellent results. Step 6. Use follow-up prompt. Think of ChatGPT as a conversation, not a one-time tool. After getting an answer, say, can you make it more dramatic? Add hashtags. Rewrite it for TikTok instead. Each follow-up sharpens the output. Step 7. Don't trust blindly, use your brain too. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. Always review it when needed. Fact-check important details. Think of ChatGPT as an assistant, not a replacement for your judgment. Final tip: if you talk to ChatGPT like a professional, it responds like one. Clear instructions, good context, smart follow-ups. That's how you use ChatGPT the right way.